Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitch if you are new here, and if you are not new, thank you guys so much for returning to my channel. Today's video, if you cannot already tell by the title, I am trying out the wet look that is going around YouTube and in the natural hair community. I've seen a few tutorials and I believe Natural Nisi is the one who started it. Don't quote me though. I wanted to give this look a try. You know, I love my twist outs. I'm a twist out girl. That is my go-to hairstyle, but sometimes I like to switch it up. You know, you don't want to get bored because sometimes natural hair, you can get bored because it's super repetitive. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video so far, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Let's get into this hair tutorial, you guys. So two things, you guys. I already moisturized my hair. I use the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner, and I also use the curl enhancing smoothie from As I Am Naturally, the Long and Luxe line. And the gel I use is the Ecostyler Gel. It's the clear container, but it has like orange writing on it. So just so you guys know, those are the only three products I use for my hair for this tutorial. So you guys, I was really stressed on this part because my roots was not laying down. Like, I was trying to brush it and they just were not laying down. As you guys can see, so I'm just gonna slick this side down and hopefully it stays. I had to do so much brushing, but I'm gonna use 2 clips just to try to keep it down while I do the other side. And yeah, continue watching. guys, I am all done with my hair, but let me tell you something. For some reason, this side is just not as, it's not as like defined as this side. If you guys can kind of see, my hair does not stay down. The videos that I saw, most of the people who was like kind of achieving this had like type 3 hair. If you guys did not already know, I have type 4 hair. So that being said, I have to tie this down or it's not gonna stay. It's just gonna keep puffing up how it is kind of right now. But if you guys can kind of see, like, it's kind of like that wet look. I'll turn around so you guys can see a little better. So I'm just gonna tie this down probably for a couple hours, honestly, because my hair is so thick. I don't think it's gonna be dry or anything in 30 minutes. So I will come back to you guys in a couple hours with like the final results. I will see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, so it is the next day and my hair is literally still not dry. I'll post a clip and show you guys what my hair looked like yesterday when I did it. When I took it down after about like 2 hours, I unwrapped it, took it down. It was still extremely wet from like all the gel and everything. So since then, my hair has poofed up. It is still not dry. So kind of in the middle, in the back, it's not dry. I would say it's not like 100% fail, but it kind of is a fail. I'm not sure when these people are taking their hair down that their hair is completely dry. That's my only thing. So I know a lot of them are letting their hair sit for about 30 minutes to an hour to a couple hours and they're coming back with like the final look, but I'm not exactly sure their hair is completely dry. I do still like the hairstyle, like it's still nice. I would still wear it. So this is the side of it. I want to thank you guys so much if you finished the entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you try it, let me know. If you have any tips on how I can achieve this hairstyle better, please do not hesitate. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, if you like the video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.